Indonesia selalu punya cara untuk memikat hati para wisatawan. Bagi kita, ini adalah rumah. Tapi bagi mereka yang datang dari jauh, ini adalah sebuah keajaiban. Lewat mata seorang traveler, kita melihat bagaimana indahnya negeri ini. Tak hanya pada alamnya, tapi juga pada jiwa yang ada di dalamnya. Inilah Indonesia. Hello bro, what's your name?
I'm Thomas.
Thomas, where are you from?
I'm from France.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm a student back in France. Yeah.
Okay. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Wieke.
Vika.
Yes,
And where are you from?
from the Netherlands.
The Netherlands. Belanda.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what do you do for a living?
I'm a student
Okay.
and I work in the Netherlands, but now
Okay.
I'm here for studying.
Okay. So what do you take for study?
Tourism, actually.
Tourism.
Yes.
Like hospitality or
Yes, hospitality and events.
Okay.
That
Cool.
kind.
Hi. How are you?
Fine. New. Jonathan
Jonathan.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
from France.
France.
Yeah.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So what do you do for a living?
I just finished my studying in event sector.
Okay.
Yeah, and so I worked in a big industry in France called Decathlon. There is some Decathlon shop here,
Okay.
and after I just leave it, so I just travel for the moment.
Okay. What made you decide to come to Indonesia for traveling?
Okay, so because I've seen so many videos of Indonesia,
yeah.
of course I've seen so many videos of Bali,
Okay.
but also I've like someone of my family. He's French and he
Okay.
lives in Jakarta.
Oh really?
And
so
he's
you
been li-
have Indonesian blood?
I have like the uncle of my mom.
Okay.
He's French, but he lives in
Bali.
Jogja
Oh,
since
okay.
20 years,
Really?
and he's married to an Indonesian woman.
I see.
So yeah, he's been living here for 20 years.
Okay, okay.
That's why I wanted to go
Okay.
on the Java Island.
Because I think it's a really good country, a really beautiful one. People here are very kind. So yeah, and I did 1 month here. And it was really cool. I think I will go back here.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You can come everywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
Everyone you want.
For the moment, I did Bali and Java
Okay.
and Karimun Jawa.
Oh, Karimun Jawa.
Yeah, yeah.
I've been there before. I love it so much.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Yeah.
And I think if I will be back here, I will go to maybe Lombok
Lombok, yeah.
and Flores.
I think you have to go to Sumatra.
Sumatra.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. Go to
Okay.
Tangkahan.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And then explore more Java, like going to Bromo.
Did it.
Yeah. Oh, really? You did?
it. Bromo, Ijen,
Jan.
and Yogyakarta.
Yeah.
So Jepara, Semarang, Karimun Jawa.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I did a lot.
Because it's a whole other culture and
Yeah.
it's on the other way of the world. So it's a new adventure.
And how do you balance between studying, working, and traveling?
Sometimes if a day is rainy, or
Okay.
then I go to a cafe and study. And other days I go around to see the.
Okay.
I mean, for me, it's not that hard because I'm a student. So at least like I have time.
Okay.
It's just about the money,
Yeah.
you know. So I think it's not like big balance.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know how to answer this question. You know.
Yeah, it's okay. Do you think Indonesia is a budget friendly for everyone who come for travel?
Especially from people who from Europe.
Okay.
It's really good to travel for the
Okay.
money price. Yeah.
Do you think Indonesia? Sorry, how much money do you spend for travel in Indonesia?
In Indonesia, do you want like in which currency?
Yeah, anything you can say.
Because I know only in Austrian dollars.
Okay.
Because I'm currently living in Australia.
Yeah,
So 2,000 Australian dollars.
2,000 Australian dollars.
Yeah.
Wow, it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Fine.
Because I wanna, I do like local things.
Yeah.
I eat local. I stay like in hostels. I don't go to resorts or you know what I mean. you know?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we are a budget travel.
Yeah. That's good. That's also why I wanted to go to Java
Yeah.
and not Bali. I mean, I'm gonna go to Bali, but first I wanted to see the real Indonesia. You know.
Yeah, you know, because Indonesia have a lot of island that you can visit.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
also it's like mass tourism, so it's like overpriced.
Yeah.
If you
That's
compare to Jakarta, like Java.
Yeah. And do you think Indonesia is a recommended place for people who come to travel, especially for backpacker?
Of course.
Yeah.
It's cheap. It's safe.
Uh-huh.
It's super safe. I've never felt like unsafe while walking in streets.
Okay.
I've been to like local places that I said. All the people are so kind. When you say hi, they just say hi, they smile.
Okay.
So I recommend like 100%.
Okay.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe
Okay.
8,000 euros.
Really? 8,000 euros.
So yeah, 800
Over this.
without the first fly.
Oh, okay.
With the first fly, maybe 130.
Oh, I don't know in Indonesia rupiah,
Yeah.
but I think in euros it's a lot, 4,000 euros, I think. Yes.
And how do you think about Indonesia? Is a budget friendly for everyone who comes to travel?
Yes, it's cheap. It's really cheap. The activities that you do and the food and everything. But at the end, if you count everything together, it will be
Yeah.
more. But it's cheap.
Okay, for comparison, what do you think the country is more cheaper between Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, or Thailand?
I think the cheaper one is maybe Vietnam.
Vietnam.
After Indonesia,
Okay.
maybe Malaysia and Thailand.
Okay.
I think, but
Okay.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I can accept it.
Okay.
Okay.
To be honest, that's my first time in Asia.
Really?
So Indonesia is the first country that I visit.
Okay.
But from what I've heard, I think Thailand is getting a bit overpriced
Okay.
because of tourism
Yeah.
as well as Indonesia. But I think the cheapest one, I think, is Vietnam.
Vietnam. Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
You
Vietnam
agree?
is more cheaper.
Have you been
Yeah.
to Vietnam?
My friends.
Okay.
And I just make a plan to go to Vietnam, and my itinerary is look cheaper.
I think Indonesia, but I never went to the other.
Really?
No, it's the first time in Asia for me.
So you just
Yes.
come to Indonesia for the first time.
Yes.
And
But
Indonesia.
I've heard that I think Indonesia is the most cheapest part of Asia to travel.
What's something special about Indonesia that you can get in other place?
I think the food.
Yeah.
The food is really good. But the thing is with the food, it's really good,
Yeah.
really tasty. But as a bule,
Bule.
as a bule,
It's bule.
I have really to take to be careful with the
Oh,
food
yeah.
because otherwise I'll be like sick
Yeah, I know.
because we don't have the same bacteria.
Yeah.
So I really have to be careful with the food.
Yeah.
Or
That's true.
eat like cooked food.
Yeah.
Avoid like all the food in contact with the water.
Ah.
Otherwise I'll be in a bad situation inside it.
And I just want to say, take care in Bali, and hope you didn't get a belly.
Yeah. I will try, of course, for sure.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a good question.
Okay.
Maybe the food.
The food. What is your favorite food?
It's really obvious, but I love nasi goreng.
What's your plan for stay in Indonesia after this?
So after I have to go.
Jakarta. Yeah. After in Jakarta, what
Okay.
next destination that you want to go?
So I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna do like Java from west
Oh, yeah?
to east. So
Yeah.
Jakarta,
Okay.
Bandung, Jakarta.
Okay.
Then I don't know if I have the right pronunciation.
Yeah. Jakarta.
Malang.
Malang. Malang.
It's so hard to say.
Yeah.
Malang. And then I do like a trip for Mount Bromo.
Okay.
There's like
That's very cool.
famous
Very
waterfall.
cool. Yeah.
Mount-
Umpak Sewu waterfall.
Yeah,
Umpak Sewu
maybe.
waterfall.
There's the Mount Ijen.
Yeah.
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 So go to Banyuwangi.
Yeah. Banyuwangi.
And then I'll take the ferry and I'll go to
Bali.
to Bali, of course, because
Okay.
I have to see Bali, of course.
Okay. If you can describe one word for Indonesia, what gonna to say for Indonesia?
Really kind.
Really kind.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
really kind.
the country is beautiful and people in are very very kind. So
Yeah.
it's really cool.
Yeah, I will describe like hospitality.
Hospitality.
Yes.
Yeah. What is unforgettable moment that you have during traveling?
Meeting new persons and from different cultures.
Okay.
And I think to see a whole other world.
Okay.
It's very different than the Netherlands.
Yeah. And
Yes.
give a tip for everyone who come travel to Indonesia.
Just do things you normally don't do.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you think about underrated place and overrated place in Indonesia?
I went to Bali.
Yeah.
So I just find this place a bit
Okay.
overrated
Okay.
because we see a lot of things of Bali in social,
Okay.
in Instagram, TikTok, etc.
It's fake.
No, it's not fake, but
Okay.
it's a beautiful island.
Okay.
But for me, it's a bit overrated, and So when I discover Karimun Jawa, it's not known for foreign people, and it's really, really, really cool.
And I have a first question, and you have to first answer too. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay. What is the capital city of Indonesia?
Jakarta.
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 What is the iconic food of Indonesia?
Nasi goreng.
Rice.
Rice. Name it.
Nasi goreng.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. How many islands that we have in Indonesia?
100.
Wrong. We have 17,000, more than 17,000 island. Yeah.
What the fuck? That's huge.
Yeah.
More than thousands.
Okay. We have 17,000 island in
Wow.
Indonesia.
Oh wow, it's really much.
Too much. I don't know. Maybe 200. I don't know.
We have 17,000 island.
Oh wow.
More than 17,000 actually. Is Bali an island or country?
An island.
An island.
Yeah.
An island, of course.
Of course, yeah. How do you think that for the people that think Bali is a country?
I think people need to get the information.
Yeah.
I think it's because of social media. People say, they don't say I'm going to Indonesia, I'm going to Bali.
Yeah.
So get more information next time.
Yeah. You have to learn about geography too.
Of course.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Yeah,
That was my pleasure.
my pleasure, bro.